everyone, welcome back to my channel. Nat Kessler here, and today I'm excited because I finally get to share the brand new July 2026 printable kit with you. And this month's collection is called Until We Meet Again. This kit has a very soft and peaceful feel to it. There's lots of muted greens and creams, oranges, and old post and mail details. I honestly had so much fun designing this collection. I feel like it just works perfectly for all types of paper crafting. There really are so many different things that you can do, and if you're newer to junk journaling or mini album or scrapbooking or any other printable crafting, this is the perfect kit because there's so many great pieces that make the whole process very approachable. So in today's video, I'm going to be walking you through and breaking everything down that's included in the kit section by section, so you can really see all of the details up close and get lots of ideas of how you could use everything. Tomorrow, I will be releasing a completely free signature project workshop where I'm creating an entire project this month, a mini album, junk journal, from start to finish, using this collection, which I'm really excited about because I think it's going to give you tons of inspiration and ideas for putting everything together. If you end up wanting this kit, you can grab it either on Etsy or through my website. And this month, there's also a subscription option available on the website, which is definitely going to be the best value. There are links in the description under the video. So let's start with the papers. You have 27 papers in the kit, and you have 5 solid textured papers that look like old letter paper folded, and I really like those because they're like a staple of any kit and you can do so much with them. And all the other 22 papers are pattern papers. Some are more muted patterns like this one with the little stamps. You have some dots in different colors, and then you have the more designed elements, all connected or in the theme of old post, correspondence, old mail, post office, like we used to do, sending letters to family and friends that are far away. You have all kinds of elements that really go with this vintage post theme. I really, really like this collection. It has real letters, real vintage letters, telegram forms, empty and filled ones. And you have, these are the journal pages that are already made for you just to fold and bind. So you have a few designs of these journal pages that are divided into 2, and then you also have the long form pages that are also very versatile. You can do a lot of things with those, fold them, and just have a lot of ideas. Now let's move to our creative focus of the kit. This is the kit within the kit. It is basically, the creative focus is basically the ready-made design project for you that you only need to cut and assemble and create a little project to start with. This is the first project I would start in any kit, and today's kit is all about envelopes because it goes with the theme of the old vintage post office. So this is going to be the envelope mini album. It can stand on its own, or you can add it to your scrapbook or junk journal any way that you want. So you have 8 different envelope designs, all the same size, all the same shape, and all you need to do is cut them, fold them, and attach them. Of course, you're going to have a complete video tutorial playlist public for anybody who wants to do all the projects of the kit. Now that you've seen all the pages, let's continue with the ephemera. I kind of gone overboard a little bit with it, but We have a lot of ephemera, really pretty ephemera that you can use. The ephemera part of this kit is really incredible. There are so many pieces that make layering, embellishing very fun and really super easy. Let's take a look at the journaling tags that we have here. We have the large layered journaling tags as well. You can see all kinds of layers there. We have the tags, different sizes. The tags have all kinds of shapes and designs, and of course they come in all sizes, so you can, from small to big, so you can use them any way that you want. Then we have the postcard and letters collection. These are postcards and smaller letters that you can use in the collection. Also, you have Western Union and telegrams that you can use. Those are really fun. Next, we have the more journaling tags or labels, all kinds of designs. I really like those. Different shapes of smaller and bigger labels that you can add. You have the airmail page with all kinds of labels and little journaling spots, and then you have the paper ephemera collection, which are all kinds of old and wrinkled folded papers. And you have the grand envelope collection. You have open and closed envelopes, and then you also have template envelopes, so you can basically cut them and assemble different shapes and designs of envelopes. And this is something new for this collection. There is a faux washi tape page. I really like this because you get to decide how wide you want to cut your faux washi tape. You can just take one strip, you can take 3 strips, you can take 2 strips, and then you can mix and match and decide how you want to use this. Next, we have the stamps. So we have post office stamps from all around the world. And of course, we have the postage stamps that you would put on postcards and letters before we had emails and text messages and WhatsApp and all that. Next, we have some really pretty fussy cut shapes. I think that these are really fun and really easy to cut. Each one has like a border around it, so it makes it easy to cut. I love adding all those elements because it really does just make everything, it adds detail and adds layering to whatever project I'm working on. And finally, we have all our words, phrases, and sentiments that you can, of course, add. You have one words, you have full quotes, you have all kinds of sentences. So I think that covers just about everything included in the Until We Meet Again kit for July 2026. I really hope you enjoyed seeing all the different pieces and getting a little inspiration for what you might be able to create with them. If you want to grab the collection for yourself, it is now available both on Etsy and my website. There are links in the description under the video. And if you're interested in the subscription option, that is currently available for the month of July and is definitely going to be your best money saver because you will receive the brand new kit at the best price. Don't forget the free signature project workshop. It's going to show you how to create an entire mini album journal from start to finish with this collection. So make sure you come back for that and that you're subscribed and you like this video. So I really hope that you like this paper collection. Thank you very much for joining me. Stay tuned for the upcoming signature project workshop, and also you can grab all the tutorials for this kit throughout the month. I'm going to release all of the tutorials, so the public playlist is open for everyone who wants to watch and get inspired and make projects. So thank you very much for joining me, and I will see you next time.